Training outlines are designed to help trainers organize their training to make sure they have properly outlined the end results that they want to achieve from the effort. Your training outlines can also help you figure out all the resources, including trainers, rooms, schedules of rotation, and other systems that you do need to assemble to ensure you have a successful training session. When employees are not performing their jobs up to par, managers and supervisors start to search for solutions to correct the problem. One conclusion managers and supervisors can come to when employees are having a performance problem is that some sort of training can correct the problem. Managers and supervisors assume that offering training to employees can help them learn the skills and acquire the knowledge they need to better perform their daily job functions. In some cases, training can be the answer. It depends on what the performance problem is. In other cases, it's going to take more than having employees attend some training to correct the underlying issue. The bottom line is, when training needs to occur, the discussion of what to do to document and track that training needs to be had. However, before any meaningful training can occur, you need a training outline. To create a training outline, you need to figure out a few things: your training objectives, modalities, methodology, feedback, and end results. We're going to address all 5 of those themes and hopefully help you start thinking about how to design and create your own outlines. So, starting out, what are your training objectives? Or why do you need the training? Or what problem are you going to be solving? Now, how do you actually pull this off? How many trainers do you need? Or which rooms do you need to reserve? Do we get an online training system so we can save time and money and frustration? Will we need to arrange transportation? Those are your modalities. For methodology, you want to see how you will deal with distributing your training. If you have a dispersed workforce, can you afford in-person training? If you're onboarding 20 or so a week, can you rely on face-to-face, in-person, in-class training? Or should you instead look for a web-based option to deliver and track your training? I simply can't say enough about feedback. What you don't measure, you can't improve. You can give training for the sake of checking boxes, but if you really want to affect change, then you need to track and measure results. Feedback is actively seeking input from your audience after the training. See what you can improve, delete, or change by actually engaging with your audience. Lastly, the end results. How do you know when you've achieved your results? How can you tell that your objectives have been met? Use a combination of assessments, surveys, and even personal feedback to learn valuable insights into what has been working and what hasn't. I hope this has inspired you to somehow create better or more efficient training outlines and in turn better training.